Not all mattresses can support the human body effectively. This results in huge pressure points. Coirfit orthocarbon resolves these defects naturally, supports body and distributes the pressure evenly. It is crafted using the planet's most unique material, which was used by NASA to alleviate the great pressure on the body. It has been designed to support your back wonderfully, to keep your spine in a natural relaxed condition and to maintain a proper blood cycle for improved sleeping quality. Known as the new guardian of environmental protection, the mattress combines the versatility of bamboo charcoal with the comfort of memory foam. The active bamboo charcoal foam features all-over cooling ventilation and open cell technology that prevents body impressions, so you wake up fresh after every slumber. With balanced body contouring design, infused silver ions and plant-based formula, the mattress is a representation of luxe and soft feel. Convoluted renewable soy foam maximizes the functioning of charcoal memory foam by reducing pressure points by 49%. It is further combined with incredibly responsive and real-time temperature-regulating transition HR foam. With soft sheepskin feel fabric, dynamic Durasense fabric and non-skid backing, the mattress offers elastic support and is a greater healer of one's health. Drift to your land of dreams with naturally therapeutic SilverX fabric that has anti-stress features and woos away fatigue. Invest in orthocarbon anti-stress mattress and bring out the best in you.